I know she's gorgeous. Ni mwiza bya danje. Baby, now we not. Baby, now.
Fuck that.
Oya, not fuck that. Okay, turarindiriye for like next week.
Okay, a few minutes. I want to have to finish.
Oya ngo hayi iminota imwe turisangahe? Turisangahe mani ibindi ikimwanze sorry.
Turisangahe? Who's calling anyways?
Anyways, ni saa moya something.
Give me more 30 minutes.
30?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, sure.
We are driving, no? We're driving.
Was that 30 zipfunze?
I'm telling you.
30 zipfunze like.
No, kuri tari kamera. Band kuvuga cyo. Weya.
Hano salabe.
Weya.
No.
Gatatu guys.
No, that has no shit. Since ibyo yavuze. Cause unikure.
Like how many minutes?
Like from Montreal, it's like for another 45 minutes.
Almost 3.
Yeah.
Celebrate Montreal cyangwa hano?
Celebrate the very field guy.
Very field?
Yeah. Stop talking to me anyways. Over.
Hari umuntu uri hari abantu bari kunsaba ngo mbabwire ubaborokora ariko niba Dumba yarakuborotse ugafite impamvu.
Urumva rero, I have best friends and they are girls.
Yeah. Twamuvuzeho, right?
Twamuvuzeho, yes. I think I told you. Yeah. I told you about.
Ndizereramo nge ibyo ngibyo nta na kimwe byantwara.
Reka nge sinzi kubesha.
No, I don't think ko iyo umuhungu akubwiye ikintu. Rega muri iyi si buri muntu wese agira ubuzima bwagira nuko abaho akubwiye ngo uyu niwe best friend wawe. So sinzi impamvu rero ufite kubyanga cyangwa kumva ko ngo abantu ngo bagira ibindi bahuriraho. Nizera ko ubushuti busanzwe.
Ngo cyaze Eva ngo asa nk'uwaryo. Sinibaza ko nawe yabyanga.
Nje nyine so niko ntekereza nibwira ko nje nakunda umuntu uri kure ya social media kuruta uba muri social media.
No wakunze ariko yari kure ya social media. Abugiye kunkanga hano my friend. It shouldn't be you it shouldn't be you saying this. Now tell Eva, don't tell me it's you saying this. Now I'm looking at you.
Yo, mwamaya karozi, Jesus.
Why you going up? Because the thing is. Thank you, Patrick. Wait, Patrick, until I get now it's the right time. Remember, it's the right time now to give gifts. Somebody can give a bigger gift. Urumva ibyo ibibazo tugira abantu bo muri social media like baba public figures it's one of them. Like you find abantu bose baravuga ko ntabwo dushaka kubera turi out there. Ariko ugasanga abo bantu batabashaka nibo bakora ibintu bibi kurusha ibyo bibaza ko mukora.
Yes.
So rero njyewe from my experience I cannot even judge that because it's binkorwaho nta nubwo nshobora kubiziza ubundi muntu tu.
Yeah.
You know, so coming from you noneho wowe nibaza ko ufitemo n'akenge.
ubona ngira ubwenge n'ubwo abantu bose.
N'ubwo abantu bose, but like I thought you're better than that.
Yeah.
I thought you couldn't say that.
Gaje nk'umuntu.
None se what would someone kubera icyo umuntu yaguhora kuba udafite ijisho, kubera icyo umuntu yaguhora kuba uvuga ibirimi, kubera icyo umuntu yavuga nka Beni guhora Pamela ko avuga nka biriya bibora aguma avuga Pamela, uzi Pamela ukuntu avuga nabi.
No, ntabwo avuga nabi, she's perfect, I love her.
Ntabwo bora avuga umuntu yabikubengera.
No? None se kuvuga bitwaye icyo, uziko hari abantu bavuga bamemeza, bamwe bavuga ngo none se ntabwo babona abagabo.
Guys, snipe ever for me. Bijya ngo kujya umuntu yabikubengera biri.
Oya.
Ndakurira nka kwizera.
Kuri kw'Imana, none se urugero naguhora ko ureba neza cyane.
Sibyo. Kenyu.
Wakigahori ikiginga ngo sibyo.
Sibyo, why would you?
Ariko njyewe umuntu nkunda mba nshaka kumwiharira. Njye nawe byagorana.
None se njye niba bakubwiye ko mfite abantu miliyoni.
Ngwiki abakobwa hari ababaza ngakungo cya Dumba ngo wakigira iki n'iki. Nyine nubwo ibintu biba bidakunda mba nishakira umuntu uri kure.
Urashaka umuntu, uba ushaka umuntu ushobora gukatira uri kure.
Nyine sinzi ukuntu nabitekereza.
Nuzi ukuntu?
Ego manu, uno mubira avuye he? Uyu mubira umaye gift. Yewe mutapinge screen bongera badukubire gatatu mu mpereza. Bro, uno mutipu umaye gift yigeze gutrendinga mu bajama b'abakire disciple, mu bajama b'abakire. Ubundi bino biboro dutangiye gukina bije amafaranga yararangiye fo. Uzi 2023 intare zavuzaga ubuhuha mu banyarwanda kandi none baba diaspora.
Intare?
Amagalaxy.
Ariko byari bitaratangira abantu bari bataratangira kubyakira.
Ya bikinwa n'abanyamahanga, aba Nigeria, ibintu biri aho ngaho nyine twe bitarara. Mu mpereza uburoze bubiri. Atandika. Ya disciple. Yo yajyaga aza kuri live ari nko kuri level ya 60.
Reka.
Yeah.
Ubuse ibi byagutunga we. Ibi byatunga umuntu.
Ariwe ibi byatunga umuntu. Uswara abatipe bajya bahabwa miliyoni y'ama gift.
Ibi byatunga umuntu ahubwo bikamutunga kurusha n'ubundi buzima busanzwe.
Umva 2023 byari ibintu birenze. Gift umpa yose none barakuba gatatu.
Biraterwa. Mubwira gwe gift nini, mubwira gwe intare ego.
Yes, barakuba gatatu. Yeah! Barakuba gatatu. Let's go. Upati wambwiye ugiye gukora ibitangaza. Umva. Let's go.
Abantu banje nabo bakure y'inzara noneho. Let your heart work. Ntabwo yireka ngukore. You're using your brain to
kandi ntabwo biri gukunda.
Yeah. Urabona ukuntu uza hano ugasmilinga with the glow smile.
Ndi ku brushing, that's crazy.
Everybody. Wakwishinga wallahi. Yeah.
What?
Everybody.
Meze gute? You look good.
I don't look better than you, thank you.
You're welcome. I missed you anyway.
Ndakora nka kwibye. Main imeze gute se?
Sha ameze neza hatangiye gukonja.
I think I should drive to Maine one of these days.
Okay.
Ko wabyibushye sheri?
Wari uri kureba gutyo nabyibushye nyine ndi kubona udufaranga.
Ubwo udufaranga Eva.
Yeah.
Watch your nuza. What you're eating. What are you eating?
Sha njye nzi guteka, nkunda guteka. Ndateka ibintu byinshi.
Nk'ubu watetse iki?
Ubu ngubu natetse igitoki kirimo ubunyobwa.
Urabifite aho ngaho?
Yeah.
Kandi
No, ntago ndi kurya mu gitanda.
no, genda aho wabitekeye.
No!
Are you okay? Do you have roommates?
Yes, I do have a woman.
It's uncomfortable then.
No, she's not here.
Watweretse si igitoki, what the fuck? Like hari ikibazo?
None se hari igitoki bitwaye iki? Ndaza kukitwereka kuri WhatsApp.
Urisetse.
Uzi ikintu ngiye cyane ubwoba kuri wowe. Usko njye nawe we have something in common.
Like what?
Honestly, like ejo ni nagusanze ahantu uri kuvuga ukuntu umukobwa yagusabye ngo mukore sex. I was like, what the fuck? Yo, uri seriye? He was like, yo, navuye muri douche, he was here untegereje ngo tujye.
Wari uhari?
Yes.
No fucking way.
Yeah, then I was like, oh wow.
What do you have in common? Is that common with me? Now we're everything in common?
Yeah, like uri honest. Ariko biri too much. Then uratangira uvuga ngo anyway, ngo thank you, ngiye ushaka ngo wari kumfata video ngo I was naked.
I was not naked. I was not naked.
Bro, je nawe turi mu relationship or situationship naza nkagukubitira muri Canada.
Why? Huh.
Why? I'm a jealous woman.
Okay, that was back in the days.
So,
Who that? Banu, Eva